Hello, my name is Sean Min, and welcome to a short introduction of my game, Spirit Photography. When you open the game, you're greeted by this title screen, with the title of the game and some brief instructions to press the mouse button. Then you get to a direction screen. There's a lot of intricate things about this game, so it tells you everything you need to know. And then we start the actual game. As you can see, most of the area is dark and unable to be seen. But my character has a flashlight which he can use to both stun ghosts and also to obviously light the area around him. It gets progressively dimmer as the game goes on, but you can find more. And also, if you hide in one of these things, then like a hiding object, like a cabinet, a drawer, a closet, etc., the ghosts cannot hit you or find you, so they just end up wandering aimlessly until you leave, at which point they'll find you again. Um, yeah, there's a randomly generated room, as you can see, and the ghost that's just randomly moving around is a random ghost, which just randomly moves around. This is the ghost, the chasing ghost. It chases down the player relentlessly. As you can see, when you kill ghosts, you get a little score here. And increments by a certain amount based on how hard the ghost is. And as you can see, that ghost like took all my health while I was showing you the scoreboard. So that's not good, of course. Um, yeah. So in this hardcore room, you can get a better idea of the project as it's a testing ground, really. And it contains batteries and better stunning. Once you pick up batteries, it recharges your flashlight, as you can see. Only by a little bit, of course, but still, it's pretty useful. And then here you can keep this journal keeps track of how many pictures you have taken, and they should show up in the images folder, as you can see. And these are pretty much just the things we took before. Since you have a camera, that's the whole goal, to dispel the ghosts and all. And you can look at them anytime you want. Some of them are too dark to see, but that's what happens when you're in a dark area. Now this should be a good one though. This should be a good one. Okay. Yes. And there's also a preliminary high scoreboard here that's saved here, and yeah, that's pretty much it.